What are we doing, Mark?
Going skydiving, first time.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's go do it.
Slide back here.
Good up there. Give me a left turn, Mark. Nice job, Mark. Mark, keep your hands all the way up until I tell you to flare. You're looking good. Keep your hands up. Mark, you are on final approach. Give me just a little bit of left. Stop turn. Okay, Mark, you're looking great. Keep your feet knees together. Keep your hands up until you hear the word, Mark. You're looking good, looking good. Looking good, Mark. Get ready. And Mark, 1, 2, 3. Hold it down. Stand up, Mark. Stand up, buddy. Nice
Good shit. Hell yeah. Good shit.
Cross the street.
I just gotta figure out the jump out part a little better. The exit's got to be a little better.
Tell me what you think about it.
Loved it. I owe this guy right here. This guy.
Really? What was the best part?
The best part really was, like the flying. Once I got stable, because I was out of control up there. I was on my back.
Really?
And then once I arched, it came back around and I was able to see where I was at, and then, yeah.
Cool.
Hell yeah. Definitely not textbook. Definitely wasn't textbook.
All right.
Out.
Think you'd do it again?
I would definitely do it again.
Cool beans. All right.
Definitely.
Well, welcome to skydiving.
Yeah, thank you.